Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create mockups in Photoshop. So I want to create mockup of this frame. It is an Instagram clone, but you can't share or like someone's post. Select the frame and go to design panel and search for export. You can see the export is at the end of design panel. So what we want to do is that I want to export this frame into image, that is into PNG format. You can choose different formats like JPEG, SVG, PDF, but I want this into PNG. So I'm going to choose a PNG. And if you want to see a preview, you can also see a preview from here like this one. And now click on the export. So it will export in your local disk. Currently I selected this PC downloads, so it is going to save into this folder. So let's click on the save. So let's go to downloads. So you can see this is the image is exported in this folder. Let's open your favorite browser and search for free mockups, or you can go to this website called Free. In this website you will get lots of mockups for free to use. Search for iPhone mockups and hit enter, and we want this into PSD format, that is Photoshop format. So you can see we can filter out in this category. So we have only one frame, so let's choose a one frame. We can choose this one, or I think this one looks cool, so let's download this one. Select the frame, click on the download and click on free download. After downloading, currently it is in zip format, so you have to extract this folder. You can use softwares like 7-zip or WinRAR to extract that zip folder. Okay, the file is downloaded. Let's extract that file. Right click on it. I have 7-zip, so I'm gonna use 7-zip. Extract to RAID. You can see the Photoshop file and the image of that mockup. So go to Photoshop. So click on the open. This is our folder we extracted, and choose the Photoshop file. Okay, the file is open now. So go to layers, and this is the smart image. So you can see the little image icon over here. So double click on it, and I think we have to delete this folder, so I'm gonna delete this one. Now select your image that we exported. So drag this image into Photoshop and paste it on this blank screen. And you can see the image is pasted over here. Now save this image by using Ctrl S. And it is asking me place the file before saving. So click on the place. Okay, the image is placed now. Let's go to our original file. And you can see we have our mockup. But there is a problem. You can see there is a text, and I want to remove this text. So in the text, let's delete this one. And it is deleted now. Now let's export this image. Go to file and go to export, and you can choose export as, or you can quick export as a PNG. I'm going to click on quick export as a PNG, and let's save it into downloads and click on save. Let's go to download folder, and you can see our mockup. So let's open this one, and you can see this is how our mockup look like. So that's how you can create mockup inside Photoshop. And you can go to this website Free, and you can, if you want to like use a desktop mockup, you can just search for it and just download the desktop mockup and import it into Photoshop, and all the process is the same. So that's how you can create mockups in Photoshop. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.